Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a kraken with clay. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need about 200 grams of polymer clay, ideally in a few different colors for depth. Don't forget your basic sculpting tools, a craft knife for details, and a small rolling pin. A clean, smooth work surface is crucial, and aluminum foil can be a great armature to support your kraken's structure and save on clay. Let's get sculpting. Now, let's focus on the kraken's core structure. Begin by shaping a robust, oval-shaped body from your main clay color, roughly 5 to 7 centimeters long. Then, create a slightly smaller, rounded head and firmly attach it to the body, ensuring a seamless transition. Take your time to smooth out any visible seams. This foundational body and head will provide the necessary support for the 8 dynamic tentacles we'll add next, so make it strong. Next, we'll bring the kraken to life with its iconic tentacles. Roll out 8 individual clay pieces, each tapering from about 1 centimeter at the base to a fine point, roughly 10 to 12 centimeters in length. Securely attach these around the kraken's body, ensuring they are firmly joined. Then, add tiny, flat circular suction cups to the underside of each tentacle. Finally, gently bend and pose them to suggest dynamic, underwater motion, giving your kraken a truly menacing presence. For the final details, let's give our kraken some character. Form 2 small, round eyes and carefully place them on the head, adding a touch of personality. Use a sculpting tool or even a toothpick to create subtle textures on the kraken's skin, enhancing its realistic appearance. Once you're satisfied, it's time to bake. Follow your polymer clay's package instructions precisely, typically around 130 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool completely before admiring your magnificent creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.